Anthony Ford here with the world's toughest deck armor, Kong Armor, and this is a project intro video. I'm in Independence, Kentucky, middle-aged, sun damage, overlooked deck, and that's what we're going to call this. We're going to call this project #overlooked deck. You can see the mildew growth. You can see this side of the deck system, the floor has been replaced recently. We're going to come in with the Kong system and encapsulate all of this. Kong's a thick build, high stretch, ultra tough lifetime deck armor system that'll completely encapsulate all of this. Lock down frayed wood, lock down splinters. After we wash this here, this will all be peeling deck paint, and Kong can encapsulate and lock down peeling deck paint as well. It'll bring this deck system here back to life. We're going to utilize something that we call the deck rescue painting process, where we actually come in, we'll replace some bad planks. Any of the bad planks that are here that are rotten, we'll replace those, do maintenance for them, set down loose nails, loose screws, this type of stuff. Come in and utilize a special epoxy filler that we'll use to fill out large cracks, large imperfections like this. We'll fill them out, smooth them over, and I want to show you guys what this will look like after encapsulation with the thick build industrial lifetime deck armor system that Kong Armor is. It's going to be stunningly beautiful. Kong will fill in likely at least 80% or more of the screw and nail fastener entry points on this deck. It'll lock down any peeling deck paint. It'll lock down frayed wood, lock down splinters. It's an ultimate resurfacer for these older deck systems. Stuff like this, we can make this look brand new again. It's going to be gorgeous. It's going to be beautiful. Let's take one look here from the corner. You can see the overlook deck. It doesn't have any steps, so we're going to call it the overlook deck because it overlooks this beautiful little creek area here in Independence. The power of Kong Armor to transform and to protect deck systems for life is amazing. I'm Anthony Ford. We're going to show you what this looks like right here. So look at this. I'm in Independence. Remember, I showed you guys this deck system. We talked about all the bad problems it had. Check it out now. This is the power of Kong. This is an unbelievable, amazing transformation for this family. Look, they were facing down, basically a full-fledged replacement of their deck floor here. Well, it was this half. This half had already been replaced, but over in here in this rail system, you know, we talked about the imperfections where Kong has covered them up, the large cracks in there. Kong, our silverback epoxy system, look, remember this? I told you we'd make this look brand new. Look how pretty. Look at this deck system. Absolutely stunningly gorgeous. We talked about how it had all these exposed fasteners that were open to water and the rust and rot process, right? Check them out now. Check out all the fastener points on this deck system. This is true protection for a deck. Okay? Absolute true perfection. The Kong technicians, the Kong deck restoration painters come in here and they've done an ungodly great job of what we call fastener entry point coverage. I mean, every single fastener on this deck floor almost is completely covered up. You'd be hard pressed to find an open fastener, a hairline crack, a gap, anything in this deck system here in Independence has turned out absolutely drop dead stunningly gorgeous. And it's tough. Remember, lifetime limited warranty here, lifetime service promise. These customers will have the company locally backing this system for life. We're right here in northern Kentucky with them. Doesn't matter what happens. Something happens to the deck system, we'll either fix it under warranty, or we'll fix it under that service promise. But Kong can be regenerated anytime, life of ownership. From this ugly, what we call ugly deck, from this ugly, beat down, sun damaged, weathered, frayed wood, splintered, peeling deck paint. You guys remember the peeling deck paint that was here? all locked down and encapsulated under the power of the world's toughest deck armor. And right now you can get it for your family. You can save your family deck replacement with the power of Kong. Go to kongarmor.com right now and sign up for a free quote. We're the best in the world at restoring and protecting decks. See ya.